We have an update to the affidavit filed to criminally charge an assistant football coach and 2 law enforcement officers following an incident at a high school football game. It's our top story. I'm Jamie Baker.
And I'm Dylan Cleveland. News 9's Jesse Kane has more from Belmont County.
On Tuesday, Belmont County Western Division Judge Eric Costine reviewed the affidavit and made a decision to terminate the civil case. And it all stems from an altercation that happened last fall at a high school football game.
The affidavit filed by a private citizen, Brent Gay, looked to serve Union Local Assistant Football Coach Vaugh Butler, Barnesville Police Lt Matthew Tippie, and Sheriff Deputy Tyler Grant with criminal charges. According to Judge Costine's written opinion, Gay admittedly initiated this confrontation. He states in his affidavit that he believed he was making a harmless quip to a friend. It is quite obvious that Butler did not see it that way. The court does not see it as such either. The comment was likely an accusation that Butler had failed to properly prepare himself and his team for the contest with their rival team. Gay admittedly made this confrontation during the game at halftime. It is axiomatic to say that had this confrontation not been made, no incident would have occurred. By injecting himself into the coaching staff at the game, Gay single-handedly created the atmosphere for which he now complains and requests this court to permit criminal charges to be filed and to have Butler and Tippie and Grant arrested and taken to jail. By initiating this contact, Gay could be charged with inciting violence as well as disorderly conduct. Judge Costine continued, "Here the prosecutor's office has declined to prosecute anyone, when in the court's mind they could have elected to prosecute both Butler and Gay. Prosecutors and courts frequently deal with such cross-filings, and frankly, in many, not all, charges ultimately get dismissed. A prosecutor's ethical goal is to seek justice, not convictions. In this matter, perhaps justice is best served sweeping the proverbial dirt under the rug. As such, this court declines to instruct the prosecutor's office to contemplate any charges being filed in this matter. The prosecutor's discretion here has been sound."
Once again, this case has been terminated and no charges have been filed through the court. Now, Gay's attorney said that they are studying options to appeal the judge's decision. In the Belmont County Content Center, I'm Jesse Kane, News 9.
The Chandra law firm who represented Gay issued this statement saying in part, quote, "We respectfully disagree with the court's decision. Without even giving Mr. Gay a required hearing, the court failed to acknowledge probable cause that the accused committed offenses. It was the court's duty under the law to determine probable cause. Instead, the opinion literally blames the victim and even uses the high school football game's 41-0 halftime score and Union Local and Barnesville High's rivalry to justify both Butler's assault of Mr. Gay and the law enforcement officer's dereliction of duty." End quote. To see the entire response, you can head to our website, WTOV9.com.
Hi, I'm Jamie Baker. Thanks for watching. Here's another video for you to watch, and please be sure to subscribe to our channel.